Hi, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about SwiftUI Pickers. So, for example, drop downs needed in every app. For example, location inputs are, let's see, 8 private var selected country, states, and countries. Okay, so let's see, and let's add some countries. So, for example, United States. All right. Now let's add them. Text and select country, and then the font title dot all right, and then here we can add a spacer, and here select country, and here we can add a picker country, and all right, so this is very basic, so you can select from this list. And here also let's add something, text. Okay, so what will happen now, it will, so let's align all these things. And okay, so alignment not needed because we are going to learn picker in SwiftUI. So let's see. Okay, so you can see a drop down came here, and it has some country listed that we listed here: United States, Canada, Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, Brazil, Russia, and these things. Let's We can select from them, right? Now the drop down can be many styles, so let's make it like font dot heading. And okay, so let's align these things. This tag and alignment dot leading, yes, this is good. And let's add it dot frame max width, dot infinity. So okay, now let's do another thing, is figure dot frame width, max width, max width dot infinity. Okay, and here we can see one thing is rich text country, and then spacer, and here we can see like h stack, and then spacer. Okay, we are not going to make that complete com complicated. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the picker can be of different styles. Let me show you the styles right now. So Canada, yes, this is Canada and France as we select, and this updates. Now let's add some styles in it. For example, dot picker style, and let's make it like menu. And now what will happen now? Let's see. Okay, and let's remove it. Okay, and now let's make it like inline. So what will happen if inline? Let's run these things. Okay, so you can see the inline style will make like this: select country, then United States, and all these countries come like this, right? And as we select this, these things updates here. Okay, now let's change this to dot navigation link. Now what will happen? So basically this one looks more professional, but let's see real time how it works. So let's see, and here select country, and let's remove this thing. Let's comment out this thing. All right, so let's see what happens now. Okay, so here you can see it like this. Now let's see select country selection, navigation link. Okay, to enable like navigation link, we must add this whole thing in navigation stack. Navigation stack, navigation stack. Okay, and now let's see under this thing. Let's, okay, now if you go there, it will show you the list to select countries. So if you notice that many of the apps, dating apps or any apps, will have too many selections, and they are generally use navigation link style, and it is much more professional than any drop down, right? So if you click there, it will update. So for example, let's select Germany, and it shows there like this, and you can update like this, and this one looks more professional to me. So let's see. Okay, okay, so let's see. So if we change this to another style, for example, what happens? Segmented. Now let's see what happens in segmented style. This one is also good, but this one is better if the options are less than three or four. For example, three or four options are fine for this style. Let's see how it looks. Okay, you can see they are like this. So as I told, this style will look good if you have two or three options only. So let's comment this out, and let's see. So let's see, and now let's run this. Yes, you can see the style like this. Now let's create another array. For example, state private var category. So category, let's see categories equal to, for example, electronics. Okay, so clothing and booking. So let's see and remove these things. And now let's add them here, country, and then same thing. Okay, and let's paste here, select category selection, and selected category like state private verb, and here is selected category, string selected category, and here is categories, and then category in, and is category and tag also category, and here let's update selected category, and here selected category. All right, so let's see, replace, succeeded. Let's see. Okay, here you can see the top one doesn't look so good, so this will be fine if we list them in a navigation link. And this one is segmented style, right? Let's see. Okay, you can see this one is navigation style, and this one is segmented style, right? This one looks also good. Now let's see another style called dot will. So how will it work? Let's see. Yes, so this one also looks good, and this is interesting. Okay, now let's see another style, for example palette. And in palette, how does it look? So it looks like this now. So you understood the basic of picker, and in next video I will discuss more and how to apply pickers and where to apply pickers in more deeply so that you can understand better. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.